At Ymgynghoriaeth Gwynedd Consultancy, our engineers, surveyors and architects work together to design and maintain the infrastructure around us that keeps us safe and moving. Our services range from designing, building and maintaining roads, structures and buildings, to monitoring the risk of flooding and ensuring that the environment is protected. Our teams work across North and Mid Wales with offices in Caernarfon, Pwllheli and Dolgella, with the option of working hybrid or remotely when suitable. If you're passionate about making a positive impact, here's why you should grow your career with our team.
It's a great feeling to see projects that we've designed and managed make a real difference to people's everyday lives. Working for YGC, I feel like the organisation offers an inclusive and safe working environment.
One of the attractions for working for YGC was the ability to stay locally and not have to move away from Wales. It was a real benefit for me. We are proud of our Welsh language culture and offer a bilingual service to all our customers.
There are opportunities for everyone at YGC with work in a variety of fields. I'm proud to be part of a team that undertakes building and infrastructure work that is essential for communities, including work on schools, housing, roads and the environment, and on flood resilience.
My apprenticeship at YGC has given me the opportunity to learn as I work and support experienced people that make a difference. I feel very lucky to be a part of the YGC team.
I am proud that some of our amazing projects have won Welsh and national awards for sustainability, innovation and infrastructure improvements.
There are opportunities to join YGC across a variety of interesting roles.
I am rewarded for doing work I enjoy and I look forward to coming to work each day.
Discover exciting job opportunities with us today.